Welcome! Today I'll show you how to check the general information of your device, something like a warranty, where the device was produced, and a couple other things. And we're gonna do it using the IMEI number that is specific to each device. And you can go to IMEI.Info, as I am right now on the website, and just provide the number right here. So I already have it in a clipboard. All I need to do is just paste it like so, and then I can check. Now, if you're wondering how to get the IMEI number, you can scroll down here and it will give you a 3-step check. So you start off by opening up the dialer, where basically you put in a phone number that you would wish to call, but instead of putting a phone number, you will put this code in right here. So it's *#06#. And once you put it in, it will automatically open up the IMEI number in a little window where you can then put it in here. And once you put it in, check in that you're not a robot. And sometimes it will ask you to basically fill out the caps catch. Sometimes it will just check without any interaction. So as you can see at the moment, I have to check them and just go further and then click on check. Yeah, and from here on the right side, you get the basic information. As you can see, all the information about the specific model of your phone. So it tells you the release date, what kind of a nano SIM or whatever it takes, weight, and all that kind of like specifications of the device that are just specific to the model, which would be the 9 Pure View. And you can also then do other checks, like free checks right here. We can see if the phone is blacklisted. What it means is basically if the device is registered as stolen or not. Then you can see the warranty check and some other phone number. And you also have paid ones, which I have also the blacklist check, but with a little bit more control over it. I have unlocked this phone, which will allow you to basically unlock it and use a Nokia Lumia, not really sure what that is. Now mind you, this you can check this kind of thing with any kind of other phone, like I'm using as an example right here a Nokia, and you can check it with iPhone, has basically the same kind of number, so we'll also have a 14-digit number where you can check it. So yeah, as an example, to continue this, I'm gonna see a free check for, let's say, warranty. So I'm just gonna open that up in the next tab right here, and let's just check Nokia phone details. Give it a moment. Well, it's nice. Let's try this again. So apparently I cannot check it for the moment. Keep in mind also one more thing, that once you're checking on this website, you can do, I think, 5 or 10 free checks of different IMEI numbers on the same IP, and anything past that, it's you'll need to have an account for that. So yeah, keep that in mind. But basically that's how you would check any information about the device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.